Hello everyone, my name is Florian. Today I'm going to tell you narrowing down your speech. After much thought, I've narrowed down my original list to 3 ideas. First, reduce the number of stray dogs in the city. Second, ban gasoline motorcycles and cars in the city. Third, ask every resident to spend the volunteering for charity. These 3 ideas are the most important to me because I can be passionate about them and relate to them personally. Plus, they may have a long-term positive impact on the city, which will get the audience thinking about the possibilities. I will give you 2 examples of how I would write a rough draft of the body of the speech. The first example will include all the ideas. The second example will feature 2 of the ideas. Let's watch the video.
Okay, the first step in laying this out as far as your structure of the speech is to take a sheet of paper. I've written it up here on this board, but normally you would take a sheet of paper and I would write this out on a piece of paper, and I would write down my 3 things: introduction, and then issues 1, 2, 3, and conclusion. Now, for this speech, I had come up with 8 different topics to talk about, and then I went through and decided the 3 important ones to talk about in this speech. So, if I'm going to talk for 2 minutes and I will cover 3 topics, then I will take this 2 minutes and I will break it down: the introduction, 15 seconds, the conclusion, 15 seconds, and then that leaves me 1, 2, 3, 30 seconds each. And there I go. 2 minutes broken down into easy to manage sections. If I want to only talk about 2 of these issues, then I go here. The introduction would be 15 seconds. The conclusion, again, 15 seconds. And then topic 1 and topic 2, 45 seconds each. And again, I'm looking at 2 minutes, and I would write this stuff down on a piece of paper. And so this way, it makes it more manageable for you to break things down into smaller sections, and then you can also see what your word count should be within each one of these sections. And it'll be easier for you to write the speech that way.
Well, this body has a total 206 words, 226 over my word count. I was able to read it in the middle speed in 1 minute and 22 seconds. So even though the word count is a bit high, it's not a problem. As I typed it, I kept checking my word count to make sure I didn't go too far over, and still communicate the point I wanted to make. Thanks for listening.
2分40秒。